Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing my skincare routine. It's not my everyday skincare routine, it's my routine whenever I feel like my skin needs some hydration. So I'm going to be using this mask. It's the Oh Honey mask. Let me see if you can see it. Can you see that Oh Honey mask? So I'm going to be using that. Sorry, my cat is... Okay, so I'm going to be using this, and this one you leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? So honey is really good for hydrating your skin, and sometimes I do get dry spots around here because that is where I use makeup wipes to take off my makeup and then use my Curology. So I think it's important at least 2 to 3 times a week to make sure your skin gets that. So let's get started. It says to make sure your skin is dry before opening, so my skin is dry. Already took my already applied my cleanser for my Curology. And what I'm going to be doing on top of this, so I can really penetrate in my pores, is using my facial steamer. Good Lord, I cannot get this thing open. So yes, I'm going to be using my facial steamer. I've used it in 2 other videos, if you guys know. Purchased it from Amazon. And I absolutely love it. So, if you can see, I have like a spot above on my nose bridge that I really want to get rid of that redness. So, we'll see how this works. Sometimes I have breakouts, but not often, ever since I started using Curology. Alright, so here's the mask, guys. I'm pretty sure it can be either side, right? Yes. Makes sense, right? My daughter is like, what is she doing? Okay, so we're going to place that everywhere. It smells really good. Yep. I'm scaring you? I'm sorry. Mm-mm. Yeah, that's my mask. So I'm just going to tap everything down. Watch out for your eyes. Some people like to close it. I don't do that, so. Oops, sorry. Alright, so now I'm going to get my steamer. You can't really see it because hold on. Let me see if I can get you guys. No, I can't even get you to see it, but you've probably seen it in the thumbnail. Anyway, because my extension cord doesn't reach over here. Whatever. So let's put it on facial steaming mode. So this facial steamer has a humidifier mode, a facial steamer mode, and a warm towel mode. So I haven't used any of the other modes yet, because I do have other humidifiers that I use for my daughter, and I haven't used the warm towel mode yet. So, you know. I don't know. I'm not keen. I don't really use warm towels that much. But, so yeah. We're going to use that facial steamer, and we keep this on 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm just going to speed through. Wait a second, guys. I don't know if you can see the steam coming up. I'm just going to speed through that. Usually I would do this in my bathroom, but the circumstances requires me to do it right here because my bathroom has like this echo, and I'm not really good at getting that off of the camera. So I have a microphone, but still. I mean, I kind of wanted to do it right here anyway. Turn on some Netflix, watch it in my living room, and don't worry, I'm being very cautious about the steamer being around anything and getting it wet. So. Okay, now that I sped through that, I'm just going to massage a little bit as the instructions say. Ooh, teeth look a little yellow. Alright, so now I'm going to take that off.
And my teeth turn yellow. And my teeth turn yellow.
Alrighty.
Mommy, and my teeth turn yellow.
Okay, sweetie. So now it says to rinse thoroughly. Alright. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, so I finished that, rinsed it off and everything. My face feels super soft and looks super shiny. Looks really shiny. So what I'm going to do is let my face breathe before I put any makeup on for the next couple days. Actually, I don't really need to use any makeup. I love playing in it, but still I don't need to use any makeup because we are quarantined. Yay! So what was that? The Oh Honey face mask. I think I did purchase it from Target, if I can recall. I'm pretty sure I got it from Target. And I got a couple other ones too, so I'll be showing you guys those as well. But like I said, I do this 2 times a week just to really hydrate my face because I do wear makeup. I use a skincare regimen, and it's very important to, you know, hydrate your face through all of that. So using that I would say 2 times a week. Maybe not 3, but 2 times a week. It depends on your skin, how dry your skin gets while going through all of what you do with it every day. My skin gets, okay, it's pretty dry around this area and the eyelids. That's so important for me. My eyelids, I can feel them getting dry if I do too much with my face. So I do that 2 times a week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Bye.
Bye. Let's take a picture.